Over the last several years, I've studied over 1,000 digital product businesses, from normal people making their very first $100 in sales, all the way up to businesses like mine that have done over $32 million in selling digital products. And I didn't study them from the outside. I personally worked with over 3,000 clients of mine. I've audited their social media accounts. I've sat on coaching calls. I've watched in real time what actually moves the needle and what quietly wastes months of someone's life. And by the way, this is the exact work that got me featured in the New York Times Square and got me invited to be the keynote speaker at the largest online marketing conference in North America in front of over 2,000 people, and get me invited to be a TEDx speaker. And here's what nobody's telling you. When you study 1,000 of these businesses, you stop seeing 1,000 different strategies and you start seeing one machine. And that machine has exactly 5 parts. And I'm gonna build all 5 in front of you right now, part by part, so you can look at your own business, find the part that you're missing, and go fix it this week. The first part of the machine is content. And I want to be really specific about what kind. I'm talking about short videos on Instagram, 7 to 15 seconds long. That's it. Sometimes it's you talking to the camera. Sometimes it's just simple clips with text on top. No studio, no fancy editing, no team, just your phone. And the reason why it's Instagram specifically, not YouTube, LinkedIn, not X or some podcast, comes down to just speed. Think about what a YouTube video takes. A 15-20 minute outline, a thumbnail, B-roll. A podcast means gears and guests filming for minimum 90 minutes. That's a mountain of work before a single person sees you. A 7-second Instagram video is the complete opposite. Someone's scrolling, the video pops up on the feed, they stop, they watch, they tap on your profile, and they could buy a $27 guide before their coffee finishes brewing. 2 minutes from start to finish. And here's the part that surprises people. The algorithm right now does not care how many followers you have. In fact, you have a massive advantage if you're starting with 0 followers. Instagram looks at the video that you just posted and asks one question: is this interesting to the specific person that I'm about to show it to? Which means you could have 5 followers and still hit 100,000 views on a brand new video if the video is good. Tiny accounts with 5, 10, less than 100 followers pulling in real money because their account speaks to one specific problem, while big generic accounts with over 100,000 followers get buried. Your content has 2 jobs and you rotate between 2 of them. Most of your videos just give value. You teach one specific thing clearly, no ask, you're just being useful. And then 2 to 3 times a week, you make a call to action, which basically means at the end of the video, you say something like, if you want a full breakdown of this, just comment the word guide and I'll send you a free step-by-step course. Why only 2 to 3 times a week? Because if every single video you make has that ask, you start to look like a billboard and people tune out. You feel too salesy. That's why you want to give a lot, and then you ask some of the time. That's the balance that keeps people continually trusting you. Now, watch what happens the second someone comments that word. That's part 2. When someone comments the word guide below your video, you don't just sit there replying to hundreds of people by hand. That's way too inefficient. You use an automation tool, AnyChat, Go High Level, even Allen Auto DM. They all work. Just pick one of them, whichever one is easier for you. And what it will do is it will automatically send every person that comments a direct message with the free guide attached. If you've never heard of it, it's dead simple. And you build it once and it runs forever. Now look at what just happened. That person metaphorically just raised their hand. They commented, and basically it means that they told you exactly what they care about, and now they're sitting in your messages holding something useful that you just handed to them, a free PDF guide for free. That is not a cold lead anymore. That person came to you. And so when you reply with a real question like, hey, did that guide help? What are you actually stuck on right now? What are you looking to learn? The conversation just flows. It doesn't feel like selling. It feels like one person genuinely wanting to help someone else, because guess what? That's exactly what you're trying to do, helping someone else out, which is why we sell digital products in the first place. I'll come back to it in just a second. But first, those people need something to actually buy. That's part 3. Here's what almost everyone gets wrong about part 3. They build one product and then they wonder why they're stuck. A winning digital product business runs 2 products at the exact same time, and they do completely different jobs. The first is your low-ticket digital product, something small and simple. A $27 guide, an ebook, a checklist, a template pack. $27 is a sweet spot. Low enough that nobody hesitates. High enough that you're not giving your work away. At that price, it's an impulse. Somebody scrolls past your content, thinks, that's exactly my problem. They tap on the link and they buy. You don't have to be there. You don't even have to talk to them. It just quietly runs in the background. Here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. You will not build a real income on $27 sales alone. If your entire business is a $27 product, you need over 200 sales a month just to clear $6,000. That's a grind. And that's exactly why winners run a second product, the high ticket product. This is your core offer. your flagship, usually somewhere between $1,500 to $2,000. And I know the second I say that number, part of your brain goes, there's no way I could charge that. Stay with me for a second, because the math is the entire reason why this works. Watch what happens when you put both products side by side. The $27 product, you need over 200 sales a month just to hit $6,000. The $2,000 product, you only need 3 sales. 3 sales, that's it. That's $6,000 a month. The $6,000 a month for a lot of people watching, that's a real life-changing number. That's what your 9-to-5 job currently pays you. That's the number where you get to stop asking permission to have your time back. And if you ever want to push to $10,000 a month or more, that's 5 sales, not 500. 5 sales. So the obvious question is, how do you sell something for $2,000 when you're not famous? That's part 4. Quick thing here while we're in the middle of this. If this machine is finally starting to click, I'd appreciate it so much if you could hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps me get these videos to more people who need them. Let's get back to it. You think you can't charge $2,000 because you're not an expert. You're picturing some guru with 20 years of credentials and a wall of certificates and the fact that they're an MD, PhD, MBA, whatever the letters are behind their last name. And you look at yourself and you go, who am I to charge that? Throw that belief out, because that is not who people actually buy from. Nobody buys from the person who's 20 steps ahead of them. That person's too unrelatable and too far away. They've forgotten what it feels like to be stuck exactly where you are. People buy from the person who's only 1 or 2 steps ahead. That person is the person who figured out the exact thing they're struggling with last month, because that person still remembers the struggle. They still speak the same language, the same lingo. They feel relatable, reachable. Picture someone who spent the last year finally fixing their own sleep. They're not a doctor, they're not a scientist or PhD, they just went down the rabbit hole because they tried everything themselves. Maybe they're a busy parent who just had their first baby and they couldn't sleep well, and they figured it out. And for a brand new parent running on 4 hours of sleep, falling apart, that person is gold. That person is exactly 1 or 2 steps ahead, holding the map that they just figured out, and that parent will gladly pay to skip the year of trial and error. Take Kevin, for example. Kevin teaches corporate professionals how to build a following online. He's not the CEO of Instagram. He just did it himself, and now he teaches people how to do the exact same. And he's made over $24,000 in less than 30 days from his content, and a chunk of that was from his own digital product. He's not 20 steps ahead of his audience. He's only a few steps ahead. And that's the whole reason why they trust him. You're not selling your genius. You're selling the shortcuts. You're selling, I was right where you are. Here's the path. Let me save you 6 months that it cost me. And this works in literally any niche. Fitness, parenting, languages, video games. I watch people do it in the corners of the internet that you'd never guess had buyers. Because every niche on earth has a group of people 1 step behind you who would happily pay to not figure it out alone. So the price isn't about your credentials, it's about how you package the shortcut and how you sell it. That's part 4. And remember those free guys landing in people's DMs? Here's how you turn them into $2,000 sales. You make a handful of free things. I usually tell people 4. That way you can rotate through them, featuring 1 per week, and that gives you the next 4 weeks of content. They get people into your DMs and they quietly show you what your audience actually wants based on which ones blow up. But one of those 4 freebies is special. One of them is what I call your value video. Here's what it is. It's a free training, maybe 10 to 15 minutes long, and for the first 8 to 10 minutes, you genuinely teach. You give real useful stuff. You hold nothing back. They should finish it feeling like they just got more than they've ever gotten from things that they paid for. Then, in the last couple of minutes, only after you've delivered, you say something simple. If you want help actually doing this with me, I've got a program for that. It's exclusive. I only accept people who speak with me personally on a call. So book a call on the next screen and let's have a chat. That's it. There's no hard pitch, there's no pressure. You only ask by giving first. And when someone takes you up on it, you get on a call. But I need you to hear how this call works because it's the opposite of what you're dreading. This is not a sales call. This is called a value call. You're not on there twisting an arm. You're asking questions. Where are they stuck? What have they tried? What do they actually want? You're being genuinely helpful, useful. And somewhere in that conversation, it just becomes clear whether your program is a fit for them. And if it is, you tell them. And if it isn't, you tell them that too. A call like that tends to close around 1 in 4, even 1 in 3 conversations. If you close roughly 1 in 3 of these calls, you need about 10 of these conversations to land your first 3 sales. 10 conversations in a month, that's 3 sales at $2,000, $6,000 in profit. Now you see why the content and the freebies matter so much. They're the top of the funnel. They're what fills your DMs with warm people. Enough warm DMs become a handful of calls, and a handful of calls become your income for the month. Now, before I show you part 5, there's one more reason the high ticket product matters. and it has nothing to do with your bank account. It's about the results. When someone pays you $27, how seriously do they take it? Sure, they might download the guide, they might mean to read it, but it sits on their phone or on the computer forever. But when someone pays you $2,000, they show up, they actually do the work, they actually use what you gave them because they're invested. I want you to write this down. Invested people get real results, and people with real results become your testimonials. And your testimonials are what you ultimately use in your future content to continue to make more sales. And the next 10, 15, 100 sales after that. So the high ticket offer doesn't just pay you more, it actually manufactures the proof that grows the whole business. It's a flywheel. The better the product, the more expensive it is, the more committed people it attracts, the better results you get, which means the more sales you make. Your low ticket product gets people through the door. Your high ticket offer is what is the actual business, and you need both. And here's part 5. This is what I promised you at the very start. Once you can see the whole machine, you can finally diagnose why you're stuck. Because when I audit someone who's grinding and not growing, it comes down to one of 2 problems, just 2. The first is a traffic problem, meaning not enough people are actually finding out about who you are. They're not seeing your content. Your content is not reaching enough strangers, so nobody new is landing in your DMs. And if that's you, your fix is all the way at the start of the machine. It's your content. You need more reach. You need sharper hooks, more of those 7-second videos that actually stop the scroll. And the second is a conversation problem. You might have plenty of people who see you and you might get a lot of views, but you're barely talking to any of them. The DMs sit there. You don't follow up with them. You warm people get cold. And if that's you, more content isn't going to save you. Your fix is picking up the conversations already sitting right in front of you. That's it. That's the whole diagnosis. Either not enough people know you exist, or you're not talking to the ones who do. So be honest with yourself for a second. Which one are you? Because the fix is completely different from each. And the moment you name and identify yours, you can stop pouring effort into the wrong end of the machine. So now you understand how the machine runs, all 5 parts, but there's one part I built this entire video on top of and never actually explained, and that's the product itself. How do you come up with the right digital product? How do you know what people will pay for before you build it? And how do you create the thing that goes inside this machine in the first place, even if you have no idea where to start? That's exactly what I want to walk you through step by step in this free masterclass I put together. It's the same path that over 3,000 of my students have used to build their own thriving digital product businesses from scratch. You've seen how the business runs. The masterclass shows you how to build the thing that powers it. It's completely free. It's the first link in the description, and I'll also leave it right here on the screen right now. Tap on this, take notes on it, and I look forward to seeing you on the masterclass on the other side.